there, food enthusiasts! Are you ready to spice up your meals while keeping them light and healthy? Today, we're diving into 5 amazing low-calorie dishes, each under 600 calories but packed with flavor. Let's prove that healthy eating doesn't mean boring eating. Let's go! First up, we've got the Chicken Schnitzel with Gremolata. Picture crispy golden chicken served with oven-baked potatoes, fresh Gremolata made with arugula, lemon zest, garlic, and a creamy yogurt dip. At just 458 calories per serving, this dish is your new guilt-free indulgence. Next, a Danish twist, mustard steaks with onion sauce. Imagine tender minced beef seasoned with mustard and breadcrumbs paired with onion gravy, boiled potatoes, vegetable sticks, and fresh parsley. Comfort food at 579 calories? Yes, please. Dish number 3, pork chop with thyme and cheese-baked potatoes. Think juicy pork chops with aromatic gravy, a fresh salad, and cheesy thyme-infused baked potatoes. This flavor-packed creation clocks in at 582 calories. Let's take a trip to Thailand with Tom Yum Goong. This spicy shrimp soup combines mushrooms, red chili, lime leaves, noodles, and more in a fragrant broth. Topped with egg and coriander, it's just 442 calories per serving. Finally, the cozy Asian Lentil Stew. A hearty mix of coconut milk, garam masala, red lentils, apples, spinach, rice, and baked cauliflower. Perfect for cold winter nights and only 572 calories. And there you have it, 5 delicious, low-calorie dishes that prove healthy eating can be inspiring and absolutely mouth-watering. Which dish will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty ideas. Until next time, stay healthy and stay hungry.